Good morning, this is Victor, and this morning I'm going to make a frittata with leftover Chinese food. I returned from Miami last night, and we ordered from Lotus Cafe in Hackensack, my favorite Chinese restaurant. We had some filet of sole with ginger and scallion, Chinese broccoli sauteed with fresh garlic, very crisply done, and also some Szechuan green beans. And well, we finished the fish. My son was home. But the Chinese broccoli and the Szechuan green beans are going in to this 10-inch preheated non-stick pan with 7 whole eggs, some egg whites, and there was plenty of garlic in the greens and the 2 vegetable dishes, so that went in there. I also had some scallion in the drawer, so that went in there as well. So you'll need about 4 cups of this mixture, and I've added some organic no salt seasoning from Costco, and another item I picked up at the Costco Business Center in Hackensack, something called tagine, mostly chili peppers, but it does have some salt in it. So this is a no-flip frittata, and it starts off here on the stove, and then when the crust is set on the stove, I move it under the broiler. I'm bewildered when I see recipes where you flip the frittata, put a plate on top of the pan, and then you flip it, and then, I don't know, I guess you put it back in the pan to finish cooking. It's ridiculous. Just put it under the broiler. You can add Parmesan cheese, which I'm going to do today, and you're all set. So I was away only 4 days, but I left behind 3 of these Campari tomatoes. They're not called Vivaldi tomatoes. They're also from Costco. And 2 apples and an orange. And my son and his girlfriend were here, and apparently did not eat the tomatoes, apples, or oranges because they remained untouched. So they're going into the frittata. The apples I'll have tonight. Some nice Reggiano Parmigiano cheese. Okay, so this has been on here medium-high flame for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to move this into the oven under the broiler. It's on a high setting, and we'll see 15 or 20 minutes there, and then we'll add some Parmesan cheese, and we'll have my frittata. So that's been under the high broiler setting for about 8 minutes. Here's this grated Parmesan, and we'll put it back in until it melts. As you can see, it's puffing up and browning nicely. The whole thing will be browned, the cheese, and then of course it'll be cooking the interior, which is a great thing about a no-flip frittata. You don't have to flip it. Okay, so it spent another total cooking time 15 minutes, so that's another 8 minutes or so. As you can see, it's beautifully browned and puffed up. It only needs a little crushed red pepper. And then I'm having that with some leftover brown rice from our Chinese meal, the delivery we had last night. I'll let this cool down before I cut it into wedges, and this will be great. I'll have 1 or 2 wedges for breakfast this morning, and then tomorrow, if I don't feel like cooking, there'll be more of this stuff waiting for me. Enjoy. So here's the wedge of frittata over the brown rice. We'll have another one, not sure. Those great Chinese vegetables. Enjoy.